This is a 12 voltage to 220 voltage inverter circuit board. Now I am going to modify this circuit for an amplifier. I am going to make it 12 voltage to 50 voltage. I am going to modify this circuit. I have to modify this chopper only. This chopper only. Now the chopper is 12 voltage to 220 voltage. 12 voltage to 220 voltage. Now I am going to modify this chopper 12 voltage to 50 voltage. First I am taking out this chopper from this circuit. Need to desolder. It has 4 connector. Middle is the positive voltage, middle is the direct positive 12 voltage, and another 2 corner are negative voltage. This is the 220 voltage connector, 220 voltage output. Here is 2 connector, here is 2 lead, 0 and 220 voltage. I have to take out this. Just I am going to modify this chopper only. Only the chopper need to modify. The circuit will be same. Circuit will be same. Just watch it. Now it has 12 turn for 12 voltage and 220 turn for 220 voltage. I know that because before I modified this, 1 turn for 1 voltage, 1 turn for 1 voltage. There is 12 turn for 12 voltage and 220 turn for 220 voltage. I have to make it 12 turn for 12 voltage and 50 turn for 50 voltage output. Let open this. Just watch it. Here all wire are silver. I will use pure copper wire. This is silver wire. I am counting 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I am counting here again. I know it will be 230 turn. 230 turn for 220 volts. Because before I modify this wire is silver wire. I have to use pure copper wire. This is the secondary wire. Here used 230 turn. I counted ready. 230 turn. This is silver wire. This is silver. Look, this is the silver wire. I am going to change it to copper. The primary also need to change because here used silver wire. Here used silver wire. I have to change it. Taking out this scotch tape. This is silver wire. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 turn has. Here is 12, 0, 12. 12, 0, 12. After reuniting this, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I also have to use 12 0 12 turn. Here is all are silver. I am going to use this copper wire. First 12 turn. First should be 12 turn from here. I have to make it lower. No need to waste the wire. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This 12 turn. Here will be the middle. Here will be middle. 12 0 12. It will be 12 0 12. This two are the 4 are middle 0. Again need 12 turn. Look 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That's the 12 turn. 12 0 12 ready. This is the copper wire. 12 0 12. Make sure need more and more scotch tape, because need to make separate between primary and secondary. Need to make separate between primary and secondary. It should be so tight. Should be so tight. The primary winding ready. Now need secondary wire. The secondary should be 50 0 50 turn. Should be 50 0 50 turn for 50 0 50 voltage. 50 0 50 turn for 50 0 50 voltage. If you want to make 35 0 35 voltage, then you have to use 35 0 35 turn, because we know one turn for 1 voltage. For 1 voltage need 1 turn. And need to make separate it. This is the middle 0. The ground voltage, it will be ground voltage. This is the ground voltage. Again need 50 turn. I will make one amplifier using this inverter. Later you also can watch this. Tomorrow I will make one inverter using this circuit. The transformer is ready. Transformer winding is ready. If you want to make this type of inverter, please contact with us. And if you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There I have the circuit diagram. If you want to get amplifier circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There also have the amplifier circuit diagram. Need to connect here this wire. Need to take out the cover first. It has cover. This wire got cover. We have to clean this cover must. Take out the cover, then solder here. Need to clean nicely, otherwise we cannot soldering nicely. Must have to clean nicely. This is 12 voltage, 12 voltage. Okay. Now this corner, another corner one. Have to clean the body. The insulation are so strong. This is pure copper wire. Now this side here is two wire together. Two wire together. I already take out the insulation. This is need to clean also here. Need to cut extra wire and have to take out the insulation. Okay. Now need this two. I already clean. Just need to soldering. Just need to soldering here. This is the middle. These two should be middle. Now need to solder. I am going to soldering this connection. Okay. Now the transformer is ready. The chopper transformer is ready to use. Okay. This is the transformer. Now I'm going to fix here. Need to soldering here. Now this is the 50 0 50 50 0 50. This is the 12 0 12. Now the circuit is ready. Now this is the 100 voltage. Here is 100 voltage and this is the middle. Now here need two capacitor. Here need to use two capacitor. Here need to use two capacitor. Here need two capacitor. Just wash it. I'm using 36 voltage 470 mmFg, and this side is positive, this side is positive, and that side was negative. Positive and negative need to soldering here. This is positive and negative, positive and negative, 100 voltage, and these two leg are ground. This two leg are ground, and this blue wire is the 0 voltage, ground voltage. Need to connect these three wire together. Need to clean the insulation. This is the 0 for 50 0 50 voltage or ground. These three should be together. This is the ground voltage for 50 0 50. This is the ground voltage for 50 0 50. This is the ground voltage for 50 0 50. This is the ground voltage for 50 0 50. I'm soldering this. I'm soldering this 0 voltage, ground voltage. Now the circuit is ready. Need to check. The circuit is ready. Now it's 12 to 50 0 50 voltage. We can use 12 voltage battery, then you can get 50 0 50 voltage. Now I am going to check it. Wait for a while, please. I am connecting the 12 voltage to the battery, negative and positive, negative and positive. It's working. I'm going to need to check the voltage. Here look, 51, here 48. It should be 50 0 50 after charging the capacitor. Here 13.8 voltage and ground 50. It's showing 56, but it's 50 0 50 51. It's 50 0 50 voltage, showing 57 for the capacitor, 109 voltage. This is positive and another one is negative. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics, my Pute Joshua. Tomorrow I will make one amplifier using this circuit. Thank you for watching.